Have you ever want to get your RGB lights in your background to work with your Twitch alerts like this? Or even have different colors like this? So, first place that you want to go is to IFTTT.com. And make yourself an account. When you make your account, click on your little icon that is up here, your profile icon, and go to create. Now you want to click here on if this, search up webhooks, and click on that, and we want to receive a web request. And we will call this Twitch_alerts. And I'll call it 00 because I've already made one before. And so if we receive a webhook, we want that to happen. And look for your smart lights. Mine are LIFX. They also have Philip Hues and a whole bunch of other ones. Now what we want to do is blink lights. Which lights do we want? I have several throughout the house. So I want to do my gaming room. Turn on first, yes. This means that if your lights are turned off in the background, like I will show you right now, I will turn mine off via the app. Alright. So they'll still flash if your lights are turned off in the background. Just like that. There we go. And now they're back on. So, the number of blinks that we want, you can go up to 5, or if you want more than 5, we'll go to advanced options. The color, there's a whole bunch of them here, but what we want is custom, so we can change the value of the color, whether it be green, purple, yellow, so on and so forth. Oh, no, we sent that to 100. So, down here, in advanced options, we want this. This will be in the description down below. It will be under IFTTT advanced options. Okay? And after that, we will go create action. Give that a second to save. And we're done. You're going to want to turn that off because you don't want to get a notification every time that it flashes, right? You don't want that. And then we go to finish. From here, you want to go to webhooks and then to documentation. And just up here is where you will find your key. You're going to need that. Now we want to go to StreamElements.com and go to your alerts page, your alerts overlays. So from here, you want to go to your alerts overlay. I'll go into mine for my birthday. And you'll want to duplicate your alert box. That is the one right next to the bin, right next to the delete. So you want to duplicate that on this overlay, right? Now I've already done one. I've called it RGB events. So I'm just going to delete that. So RGB events, you want to turn visibility off. from there, you want to go to settings. In follower alert, open CSS editor and go to JavaScript. Now this here will also be in the description below under StreamElements JavaScript. Now next to const key equals, you'll want to put your key. Remember that key from IFTTT webhooks documentation? And put that key up here. And next to fetch, after trigger /, now we named it Twitch_alerts 00, and then / with / key again is what is the webhook key, and then we want to end it with $value1 equals and then the color that you want. So mine is green for followers. You can set that to purple, you can set it to red, pink, whatever color you want. And we'll go done, and it is done. Now you can just copy and paste that into your JavaScript and just change value1 equals to a different color. And you can do that for everything that you have there. And then you will have some wicked RGB alerts in your background. Now my name is Glenn. I stream every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Hope to see you there. Ciao for meow.